Hi, today I will show you how to make your PC to run faster in 2024, so let's get started. First thing, you need to go to the Windows bar and type msconfig.exe and follow what I am doing. After that, do not restart, you need to do more until you will restart the PC. Second thing, again in Start bar and search for Performance Monitor and follow my steps. And the third thing that boosts your PC is important, but you need some space, and that depends how many gigs of RAM do you have. In my case, I have 32, and I will multiply 32 by 1024 because 1 gig is 1024 megabytes. Go to calculator and multiply how many do you have. For 8 gigs, do 8 x 1024, and that number multiply again with 1.5. And the final result you need to put in a box after you follow me. Now go to the main settings in PC, System, About. Now in the right sidebar, you have Advanced System Settings. Click there and follow me. I am sure 100% that your PC will boast a lot from what I was before. Don't forget to thumbs up and click the subscribe button for more clips in this format. Peace.